Good afternoon on this chilly, cold winter, kind of. Anyways, today we got a Zildjian K custom hybrid crash 18-inch. And as you can tell right here, we got some crack damage right there. It's kind of talking to you. Fix me. Help. So, we're going to repair this baby up, so let's give a little sound test. There's a little bit of raspiness to it, but let's repair that crack out. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian K custom hybrid crash 18-inch. And as you can tell right here, the crack has been removed from the cymbal. It's now smooth as butter. So let's give this little cymbal sound test. Alright, sounds pretty good to me. And as you can tell, the cymbal's no longer talking to me in a physical form, but in a volume form, it's talking to me in a whole different manner. Alright.